Hello people, Trick 24 Quant 45 to 51 presented by Mission MBA. Today we're going to talk about how to write out the coordinate equation or geometric equation of parallel lines very quickly. You might be asked certain scenarios. Find an equation parallel to a given line and passing through a particular point, passing through origin or making some intersect, anything. How to do these kind of questions very quickly. We'll learn that today. But before that, click the bell icon and subscribe the channel so that you never miss an update. Now guys, listen to me very carefully. First, we will understand the condition for parallel lines. Then we'll see the traditional method. Then we are going to see the direct trick method, which is going to kill this off in just 15 seconds. Now, if you already know the condition and the traditional method, you can quickly skip to the trick. And if you don't know that, I would recommend go step by step. Condition. So guys, if a line is parallel to another line, then their slopes are equal. M1 is equals to M2. If I have the two parallel lines, then they are going to make the same angle. And if these angles are same, these are nothing but slope. So M1 is equals to tan theta 1, let us say, and M2 equals to tan theta 2, let us say. Theta 1 equals to theta 2, so M1 equals to M2. That's the simple concept. Now, let us see the traditional method. If, let us say, I have a line 2x plus 3y equals to 0. Now, it will become 3y equals to minus 2x plus 0. And ultimately, y equals to minus 2 by 3x plus 0 by 3, which is nothing but a 0. So your m comes out to be minus 2 by 3 for the given line. And I know that for the condition of parallel lines, m1 equals to m2. So my required line will also have the value of m same as minus 2 by 3 because it is equal. And I hope you know how to calculate the value of m. If you do not know that, it's going to be very difficult for you. But still, I'll try to explain it quickly if you do not know. So guys, we know that y is equals to mx plus c. So our aim is to keep y onto the left hand side like I have done and everything on the right hand side. Then the coefficient of x, which in my case is minus 2 by 3, that becomes the n. Alright, if you do not know that, I would not recommend you to go ahead with the video. Once we finish coordinate geometry, then you come over here. And those who already know m can go ahead. So m equals to minus 2 by 3. So the parallel line will also have the same m. Now my equation is y equals to mx, which is minus 2 by 3 into x plus constant. And then you use to satisfy this point, origin 0, 0. You will place it and get the answer. But now I'm not going to do it that way. Guys, trick is to focus on m. Now tell me, what determines the value of m? Here m was determined by just 2 and 3. That's why it came out to be minus 2 by 3. So m is only determined by the coefficients of x and y. Remember, m is only determined by the coefficients of x and y. So if the m has to be equal, the coefficients of x and y have to be equal. So if I'm dealing with, let us say, second part, I want to write down the equation of line parallel to x minus 2y equals to 0. So the line parallel to this is going to be something like x by 2y equals to constant because m1 equals to m2 and m1 determines on the coefficient of x and y, m2 determines on the coefficient of x and y. And they are equal, so the coefficients will be equal. That's it. That's the catch. So I'll show you how you can quickly do that. Let's see it. So I'm writing the equation parallel to this particular line. The coefficients will be very same as this. Quickly write that down. Now, this passes through this particular point, must satisfy this equation. So put it over here. X minus 2y. So 3 minus 8. That's minus 5. This is going to be the equation. This came from here. And this particular thing, I directly applied the point. If you did not understand that, let's just go a little slowly. First thing, x minus 2y, same as this because the lines are parallel. Put it equals to k. Now this point must satisfy our line. What does it become? It simply becomes 3 minus 8 equals to k. So k comes out to be minus 5. And I have the equation as x minus 2y equals to minus 5. Parallel to this and passing to this just in 10 seconds. I hope that is clear. If yes, let's try another one. 3x minus y, line parallel to this. It's going to be very same as this. Why? Because the slope is same. I cannot change the coefficients. Equals to, let us say, k. Making an intercept of 4 on y-axis? Simple. So it must passes through 0, 4. Put it. You'll get it as 0 minus 4 equals to k. K comes out to be minus 4. And there you go. Your equation of line is 3x minus y equals to minus 4. That's very simple, right? If you're writing the equation of a line parallel to a line, so this particular thing is going to be exactly same. The coefficient of x and y, they do not change at all. Write them very same. And then just simply satisfy the condition like intercept of 4 or passing through 3, 4 or passing through origin. You'll definitely get your answer under 10 seconds.